Hello, good morning guys, namaste and welcome back to other vlog. So today's plan is that first we are going to Puri Jagannath temple and later we are going to Konark Sun Temple, and in the evening we are leaving to Kolkata as there are no much places to explore in Puri, but we still are trying to figure out some other places by asking locals. If there is anything, I'll definitely update with you guys. So I'll catch you in Puri Jagannath temple. Guys, we have finally reached our first destination. You can see the Puri Jagannath temple behind me, but the sorrow thing is that cameras are not allowed inside. This is the last point I can take my camera and go. So I try to figure out with the locals so that I can manage to take the camera. They are saying it's very strict rules here. If I break the rules, they are going to keep me in jail or they are going to give me 10,000 rupees of fine. So sorry guys, I cannot take the camera inside and shoot it. So this is where I am dropping the camera off. I can explain you about the structure inside. So the whole structure is made from one single stone which was found here. So the structure's baseline is lotus petals. So from the lotus petals, the whole mandapam raises to the sky or heavens. The whole mandapam represents pictures from our ancient texts like Mahabharatam and some other Vedic scriptures. So there are so many images on the temple which represents clarity on life or showcasing the meaning and purpose of the life. There are images like Krishna playing with gopikas and sages sharing their knowledge to the next generations and some other stuff which portrays the purpose of life. So the whole mandapam almost all has a height of 220 feet which is the tallest mandapam in the whole Odisha after Lingaraja temple, and the whole mandapam is under GO zone. So I cannot fly drone here and I'm not going to fly the drone here. So those are some facts about the Puri Jagannath temple. Now I'll say what is the purpose I'm visiting all these temples. I know you may get bored in between sometimes, but this is it with the life guys. So in life you need to have all chapters or you need to see all shades of life. Like you need to have fun, you need to have adventure. At the same time you need to have knowledge and you need to have a romance at the same time. So now I'm fulfilling one aspect of it. Now I'm seeking knowledge. So the reason why I visit all these ancient temples is because I'm not going there and asking God for desires. I am just here to see the architecture and some other stuff, so that I just want to see what our ancestors are saying to us and what is the message that they left and how they lived at those times, which will help to see life in a bigger way, and will also give a very good light on the whole purpose of life, not just living it for 60 years, the whole purpose of life. It's not only about me. I am seeking for life, so I just want to get every bit of information from anybody who is sharing some good words or information which makes sense though. So this is the purpose guys why I keep visiting these ancient temples, which make me realize so much, and they enlighten me so much which I cannot express in words. You should be here guys. The live experience is more than anything that you can get in the videos. This is it guys with the whole temple scene. So we are done with this place. Now we are moving to our next destination, which is Konark Sun Temple. So after going there, I'll catch you again. So guys, we have reached the second spot of our day, which is called as Konark Sun Temple. As you can see the temple behind me. So this temple is recognized as UNESCO World Heritage Center and it was built in 13th century. So the temple is dedicated to the sun god over here, which is called as Surya in local language. That's why the name came as Konark Sun Temple. So it's 42 kilometers from Puri Jagannath main temple, and now we'll go inside and shoot some 120 frame shots. So guys, we are finally in the famous spot of Sun Temple. So this is called the sundial. So this is the sixth wheel of the chariot of the sun god. So you have already been seeing this image on our currencies. So on the new 10 rupees note, you can see the Sun Temple's wheel, and on the world 20 rupees note, you can see the Sun Temple wheel. So this is very famous temple and it's a World UNESCO Heritage Center. So guys, we are finally done with the Konark Sun Temple. It's 6 o'clock already now, so the temple is closed. So we are moving out of the temple. The architecture is so beautiful, guys. We almost have spent like 2 hours inside. If we have more time, we would have seen that beautiful architecture over there. So I recommend you guys should definitely visit this place. Make sure when you are here, hire a guide, because without him, you cannot crack the information or the meanings of the art inside. So I hope you enjoyed the B-rolls and the new 360 time lapse. So that's it guys with the Konark Sun Temple. Now I'll catch you in Kolkata.